it is consist of kidney. So same like that of pyla has a kidney. In our body we have two kidneys, one pair, but in this there is only present one kidney which is on the right side. Another side kidney that is disappeared or changed into gonoduct. This is clear? It has one kidney near to the heart. Near to the heart. It has two chambers. Anterior chamber of kidney or renal. This is called anterior chamber of renal. Renal or kidney you can also say. Or this is posterior chamber. So anterior chamber is larger as compared to the posterior chamber. Sorry, this is anterior chamber and this is posterior chamber. Anterior chamber that is on the lower side and this is which is pointed that is toward the this is anterior chamber like this is anterior chamber and this is posterior chamber. Longer one is posterior chamber or this is anterior chamber. This leaf-like is a anterior chamber. This is which is pointed on one side. This is a posterior chamber. Okay? We can see here there is present triangular or it is a leaf-like structure. Leaf-like structure which is its name is anterior excretory. This is anterior chamber which we have drawn here. This is anterior chamber and this is posterior chamber of the kidney. This is anterior chamber of the kidney. This is posterior chamber of the kidney. It is a posterior. This is anterior. Clear? Anterior one. First we will do anterior chamber. This is present near the heart. Auricle. Anterior chamber present parallel to or near to the auricle of the heart. Auricle of the heart. It has, you can see there is a like leaf, there is a midrib. There is a midrib and around it there are present number of lines. There are present number of lines. These lines, they are called the lamella. What they are called? They are called lamella. And just behind, lower of this heart, this is the structure of heart. Just below the interior chamber, interior renal excretory chamber, renal chamber, excretory chamber, kidney chamber. That is a one thing. Just below the this heart, there is one second chamber that is called the posterior chamber. Here we can see that it's a detailed structure. Here it is hidden by this intestinal coil. ਇੱਥੇ ਬੇਟਾ ਸਾਫ ਦਿਖਦਾ ਪਿਆ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਬਣਾਈ ਕਿਡਨੀ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਛੁਪੇ ਦਾ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਚੈਂਬਰ, ਕਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਛੁਪਿਆ ਦਾ ਹਾਫ ਪੋਰਸ਼ਨ ਇਹਦਾ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਇਹ ਵਾਲਾ there is present renal vessel. There are in the heart there are three vessels. है ना? One is from trinidial gills, second is from the pulmonary, third is from the renal. That means from the kidney. Clear है ना? That is, here is that, which is open into the, which is start from the, this one. What is this? Anterior chamber. From the anterior chamber there arises these two, which is open into the auricle of the heart. You can see there, which is open into the, after purification. After purification means excreting the function की है nitrogenous waste matter नु kadna. After that they open into the auricle. I think it is clear to everyone. After that there is present this posterior chamber. This structure is visible here in detail. Clear? This is also pointed here and brought near to the, this anterior chamber to posterior chamber. This anterior chamber and posterior chamber, there is present opening between the two renal chambers. Means anterior chamber open into posterior chamber by this pore. There is present one pore here. There is one pore here, which is hidden by the anterior chamber. That present in the between the anterior and posterior, but hidden by the posterior chamber. Here we can see there is present opening between the two renal chambers. Because उनका connection तो चाहिए ही है ना, आपस में anterior ते posterior का किस तरह पास होएगा, दो तो फायदा नहीं है फिर, है ना? ये दो है तो उधर कोई फन तो होना चाहिए ना कि क्यों दो है, और they are connected with each other. I think this much is clear to everyone. Now there are these. They have number of blood vessels, means posterior kidney which has one vessel from which is open into pericardium. One vessel which is from the pericardium, that is open into here, and renal vessel which supplies to the kidney, that is also start from the heart and goes to the enter into the posterior chamber of the kidney. Like simple भाषा च जे ਆਪਾਂ समझना है कि है ਇੱਕ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਸੀ posterior chamber ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਤੇ pericardium, then ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਇੱਕ renal vessel ਵੀ heart ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਨਿਕਲਦੀ ਪਈ ਸੀ, ਕਿਹੜੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੋਂ? Visceral aorta, that carries also one vessel for the kidney. Kidney ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਤਾਂ nourishment ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, as करके there is also that vessel. I think this is clear from this, because this and this, they both have blood supply, but ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਕੇ ਖੁੱਲਦੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦੇ ਚੋਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਨਿਕਲੇਗੀ ਉਹ ਇੰਟੀਰੀਅਰ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਖੁੱਲੇਗੀ. Excretion, main excretion, that is ammonia, urea, uric acid, that is nitrogenous waste matter, that is excreted from the posterior kidney, that is from the posterior kidney. I think clear at posterior chamber of the kidney. From the this posterior chamber, that is open into anterior chamber by this opening between two renal chambers. इथों move करके it goes to here. From here, there is again purification. question is there. It goes through these pores. You can see these pores except this pore. There are present these pores, excretory pore. ठीक है? From this excretory pore that is filtered and present in the pallial complex. It enter into the pallial complex. Pallial complex पता ना, which surround the total visceral body. उस pallial complex तो from right side with nuchal lobe, देखो इधरों पानी enter करता pallial complex चों, nuchal lobe दे through इधरों बाहर निकलता सी. It is like this. इधर lungs present है, इधर gills. इधरों enter करता है, इधरों move करके इधरों बाहर निकलता है ऐसे nuchal lobe तो. So from here kidney there, kidney's position is इधर नहीं, pulmonary chamber वाली है, किधर है? इस तरफ. ये वाला chamber केड़ा है? This chamber is a gluteal chamber or this is called gill chamber or it is called bronchial chamber. इधर upper side पे kidney है, ठीक है? इधरों enter करेगा, enter करके posterior chamber to filter, then ਉਹਦੇ ਚੋਂ anterior chamber ਤੋਂ blood ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕਿੱਧਰ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਏਗਾ? auricles after filtration of nitrogenous waste matter, and the nitrogenous waste matter which is present here to move from that chamber enter into the pallial complex. This side to brachial chamber, and after that from the nuchal lobe it is come along with the water outside the body. So body is get rid of nitrogenous waste matter. This is the functioning of the kidney. Purification of blood किधर वाला होता है? Renal vessel. Renal vessel like our body. साड़ी भी कौन कर दिया है? ਜਿਹੜੀ ਡੋਰਸਲ ਏਓਰਟਾ ਤੋਂ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਨਿਕਲਦੀਆਂ? ਰੀਨਲ ਵੇਨਸ, ਰੀਨਲ ਆਰਟਰੀਜ਼, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਫਿਲਟਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਇਜ਼ देयर. ਸਮਝ ਆ ਗਿਆ? ਲਾਈਕ ਅਪਰ ਬੋਡੀ ਰੀਨਲ ਵੈਸਲਸ, ਉਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਫਿਲਟਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. ਸੇਮ ਲਾਈਕ ਦੈਟ ਆਫ ਇਹਦੇ ਚੋਂ ਵੀ ਫਿਲਟਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਏਗੀ. ਰੀਨਲ ਵੈਸਲ ਐਂਟਰ ਕਰੇਗੀ, ਰੀਨਲ ਆਰਟਰੀਜ਼ ਅੱਗੋਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ? ਆਰਟੀਰੀਓਲਸ ਬਣਦੀਆਂ. ਆਰਟੀਰੀਓਲਸ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਵਾ ਉਹ ਬੋਮਨ ਕੈਪਸੂਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਨੈਫਰੋਨ ਦਾ ਪਾਰਟ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਚੋਂ ਫਿਲਟਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ.